Alright then guys, welcome back to another episode. I am so glad you have all came to join me tonight to look at Neo stock once again, because Neo stock, as always, seems to be on the rise once again. So for that reason, we want to cover why, we want to look at what's going to happen in the future, and we want to look most fundamentally at what is important now and should you buy it right now. So we're going to start off by just simply having a quick look at the share price. So if we have a look on screen right now, we're sat at 47.26, which is quite a nice price for the stock, considering on the 13th of October we're sat at $21, meaning we've over doubled our money. We've doubled and more on our money, which is really great to see on this company. Of course, we all like to see stocks going up, and Neo is one which has really been performing over the past month. So when we take a look at the past 5 days, even there we are seeing quite high levels of growth. You can see we started off the week on basically about 41.16, and we're finishing off this week on about 47.31, so quite decent gains for the 1 week period. So looking out to 1 day, today has been kind of decent for the stock as well, to be honest. We have seen a little bit of a sell-off towards the end of the day. That's put us at $49 as a high, dropping back down to $47.54 towards the end, but we can see we started off the day on $44.50, so we've clearly made quite some decent room. We've made about a $3 gain, so that is not bad at all. That's about 6% of the share's price, if you're wondering. So yeah, we're going to be looking at why and what this means in this video. So if that does sound good, please do subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. You can see on screen right now we are almost there, and it's only going to take like 400 more to get us there. So I'd appreciate it massively if you could help me by getting us to our goal. Honestly, you guys are killing it so far, so if we could just carry this on, it would mean so much. Let's try and get to this 1,000 before Christmas. Honestly, I think it's doable. Share this with your friends and family and help them, and just help me by subscribing. So yeah, that's one thing which I needed to talk about. Another thing is we now have a Discord. We talk about all kinds of great stocks. I think you guys will absolutely love it over there. It's completely free, and the link is in the description. Anybody can feel welcome to join. You know, all you need to do is download Discord or visit the website for Discord as well. So we have this article to talk about on Neo stock. So of course, if you didn't already know, today is xpengs earnings, and this actually is going to play a significant role on Neo stock. Now you might be asking yourself why. If you do want to have a full, article talking about this, that is on themotleyfool.com. You can see the title of it here. But basically, the reason is because xpeng stock is rising, and this shows that these Chinese car companies are actually gaining popularity. I think, I could be wrong, but I think Neo's market cap may be higher than xpeng. Don't quote me on that one. But, you know, it generally shows a trend going on the way. It shows that these companies are actually starting to pick up some traction. Very good to see in the market. Obviously, we all want to see traction as we can see these stocks grow, because now could potentially be a great time to even get in on them, as it may not be too late. So yeah, what does this mean for now? Basically, it means that people are looking to buy this stock. I mean, yes, I'm sure a lot of people are saying it's too high, but looking at what the actual analysts say, we've looked at what analysts say so many times. There are analysts, and now I'm not saying that they are correct, and you know, analysts have been wrong in the past, but there are certain analysts which are saying that we're going to see huge percents of growth in this stock. They're saying that we're going to see hundreds to thousands of percents, and I think this is amazing to see if this one does go through. But it just goes to show what people are looking at for Neo. A lot of people do have a high estimation of this company. And when we had a quick look at our analysis video, which was last episode on Neo, feel free to go check that out. Try and get to 1,000 views, please. But when we did have a quick look at that one, we saw all of the analysts were positive on it. So usually we have some saying that the stock is going to lose 10-20% of the value, best case scenario. But in this time, we had all analysts saying that the stock is going to be positive. On the low side, they were looking at like 40% growth. On the high side, like 900% growth. So honestly, the ceiling is potentially limitless for this company. So what should we do knowing what we know? So of course, when this company's actual, results do come out for their earnings and whatnot for the past quarter, I think that will drive the price either up or down depending on whether it's positive or not. I think it probably will be positive. So what should we do about the share price? Is it too late to buy? Is it a great time to buy? Should we leave it alone? Well, this is what I am personally doing. I have personally just bought some Neo stock, and I've already made $5 on one stock. So honestly, not bad at all. And I'm not saying that you should buy, of course, because I am not a financial advisor, but I am not too worried personally, and I'm just going to keep buying for the time being because yes, it could go down hugely. Yes, a stock like this is definitely a risk. As you know, it's just so early in the company's process. It could potentially dip, but I'm just not too worried. Of course, I'm only doing it for like fun, not too bothered about a huge financial gain. If we did see a 900% gain, that would be amazing. But yeah, I am not too worried because what I say in the end is I can see this being a multi-$100 stock. And if this stock is over $100 in the future, what is the odd $1 here and there miss going to mean? You know, it's not really going to be that significant in my eyes, at least. So I just thought I'd come in and share my opinions on this company with you. I hope you did enjoy. If you did, please do leave a like and do subscribe. It means so much to us. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.